Welcome to this beautifully remodeled mid-century modern home with a huge private yard. It's ideally situated in Lake Oswego's beloved Hallinan neighborhood within easy walking distance to downtown, restaurants, and entertainment. It's also just 2 blocks from Hallinan Elementary School, its soccer field and playground. Come inside and discover gorgeous custom features throughout, from hardwood floors to the stone fireplace and built-ins. Enjoy the chef's kitchen and its large butcher block island, granite counters, custom tile backsplash, all new stainless appliances, and abundant storage. It opens to the light and bright dining nook. Unwind and relax on the sunporch with walls of windows and tranquil views. It opens to the upper deck overlooking the terraced yard. The main level master suite is a private retreat with seasonal views of Mount Hood. You'll find a custom walk-in closet and a full bath ensuite, plus a separate heat control. On the lower level, you'll find 3 more spacious bedrooms, including one with French doors and radiant floor heating. Just past the reading nook are 2 more large bedrooms. An updated full bath, plus a spacious laundry room. Gather with friends and family on the entertainment patio while enjoying complete privacy. This serene setting includes beautiful landscaping, an irrigation system, and a new privacy fence. And a playground is ready for family fun. Living here, you'll also enjoy friendly neighbors, nearby parks, and hiking on local trails. A gorgeous mid-century modern home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home.